you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. You got another one for me?
Yes, sir.
How you been, man?
Good. How you been?
All right. What you got running here now?
I'm still running the same thing, but I'll change it from a 6-door to a 4th.
Okay. Them the
They're XV3s, but they're prototypes with U baskets on them.
Yeah. I knew a lot of X's, so.
Yeah, as long I'm pretty sure these are the same ones I seen you had when we was at the Wake the Dead.
Wait, yeah, okay, honest,
Yep.
yeah.
Except for I changed it to a 4th now.
Battery you got in here, man?
The battery's a Not Your Mom's Juice LTO.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look kind of like the Yinlong looking deal.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. And it's staying up strong like this?
Yes.
One alternator?
One alternator.
That's strong the whole time?
No, I don't give it no gas.
I noticed it. I was waiting on him to rev it up.
It's that Not Your Mom's Juice.
That's what it is.
You can check it out on Facebook.
I need to check them out. I'm looking for a new battery anyway, so I might need to get with them.
That's the one I'm running a 4P on that right now, and that's on my 83, my 234, and my 84.
It is running the whole vehicle too?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. I got two 93s, but I might need to be about two of those.
Yeah, about two of those, yes.
Okay, I need to get with them, damn it.
A buddy of mine's running 3 93s, and he's running, I believe it's a 9P.
Same people?
Yes.
He's got C-Max, and I want to try C-Max, but I don't really have any experience with it.
I ain't either, and I've seen too many bad videos.
Right, and then my truck just sits so long, I don't know if it'll,
I've let this one sit for 3 to 4 weeks without even starting to come back out here in my voltage.
It is just fine.
It's no lower than 15.4 when I started without it running.
What's the highest you can charge up on it?
I usually stay at 15.8.
Yeah, say it area right there.
Yep.
Yeah, that's probably why I need to stay, because I got them. Yeah, I think that's where highest you can go with the 93s anyway.
Yeah.
Man, let them know where they can find you on social media, man.
Norman Gunter on Facebook.
Okay, y'all know I'm going to tag them down below. You going to Wake the Dead this year?
Yes, sir.
We'll do it again. Hopefully we'll do it together before then, man. I know Pop Title has something else, so.
Yeah,
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.